Good morning student. This is the first math class of standard 4 and today I will start with unit 1 which is based on your previous knowledge which you have learned in your previous classes. So students, let us start with unit 1. See children, this is your unit 1 exercise. It is based on previous exercises whatever you have done in class 3rd. So let us go through one by one questions and try to understand try to regain our knowledge again. Now see the first question. It is asking, write the consecutive number that comes after. So here we have to write the consecutive numbers which will come after these numbers. So first we should know what is consecutive number, students. As we know that numbers that follow each other continuously in the order from smallest to largest are called consecutive numbers. So we can say, take the example like numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. These all are the example of consecutive numbers. It follows a sequence and order which is continuous from smallest to largest one. So based on this concept, we will start finding the solution of first answer. Now let us see what is the first question. Here it is given 997. So what will be the next consecutive number? The next consecutive number will be 998. Then the next consecutive number will be 999. After 999, the next consecutive number will be 1000. Then 1001. 1002, 1003 and finally 1004. Similarly, the next number, it is given 2606. So the continuous pattern or order for this number will be 2607, 2608, 2609, then 2610, 2611, 2612 and 2613. Now see one more question, that is 7894. Now after this the consecutive number will be 7895, 7896, 7897, 7898, 7899. Now after 99, here 7900 and then 7901. So this is the order of consecutive numbers which move from smallest one till the largest one. This is the sequence of consecutive number. Like this way you have to write these numbers. Now let's move ahead for question number 2, which is write in the expanded form. These numbers are given which you have to write in their expanded form. So students, as you know what is expanded form, when we write any number based on its place value, we call it its expanded form. It means when we will write any number based on its place value, that is its expanded form of that number. For example, suppose we have number 338. So here in this number, 8 at 1's place, 3 at 10's place and again 3 is 100 place. So if we are writing ones, tens, 100, if we talk about these three, it is at the 100 place. In 100, after these three there are two digits. It means we will place 20 after this digit. This is 300. And if we talk about this tens place, 3, it is at the tens place, and after there is one digit, so we will place 10 after this, and we will call it as 30. And after this 8, it is at ones place, and after this there is no digit, so it will be writing as it is, no zero will be put after this. So the place value in this 338, the one is 300, then second is 30, and then 8. So we will write it as 300 plus 30 plus 8. So let us now see the exercise work. Now see here, first question is 3428. We have to write this number in its expanded form. So we will write it 3. Now after 3 there are 1, 2, 3 digits. So we will put 1, 2, 3, 0. Then plus 4. After 4 there is 2 digits. So we will put 20, that is 400. Then again plus 2. After 2 there is one digit, so we will put 10, that is 20. Then plus 8, and after 8 there is no digit, so 8 will be as it is. So this is the expanded form of the number 3428. Similarly, the next number is 4138. Here 4 at the 1000 place, 1 at the 100 place, 3 at the tens place, and 8 as a ones place. So 4 we will write in 1000. So 4, after there will be put 30, and after 4 there is also 3 digits. Then plus 1 at a 100 place, and see after 1 there is 2 digits, so we will put 20. Then plus 3 at the tens place, 30, then again plus 8. So it is 4000 plus 100 plus 30 plus 8. This is the expanded form of the number 4138. Now see the next number, it is 6109, 6109. This number again you have to write in its expanded form, and children try to do it by yourself. Let us do it. Now see, this is 6 which is in 1000 place, so 6000 plus 100, then plus, now see at the tens place there is 0. So we will put 0 at the tens place, then plus at once it is given 9. So we will put 9. So this is the expanded form of 6109. Now the next question is 5060. So here at the ones place 0, tens place 6, 100 place 0, and 1000 place 5. So it is 5000 plus 100 place is 0. So we will put 0 at its place. Then again plus at the tens place it is 6. So we will write 60. Then plus ones place it is again given 0. So we will write 0. So the expanded form for this number is 5000 plus 0 plus 60 plus 0. 5060. So student, today we have learned about two concepts. The first one is consecutive numbers, and the second one is expanded form. Practice some more numbers like this. Thank you. Thank you, you all.